Morning D1, happy Friday. Let's go ahead and let's look at what our jobs are for today. So first things first, we are on the home page. It is December 4th and it is Friday. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and you are going to see we have our schedule for today. So first things first, we have our morning work as always. And again, we are working with singular possessive nouns. And so please, 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 if you are the littlest bit confused about singular possessive nouns, watch this video. This video is going to be super, super helpful. I noticed on Wednesday, I had a couple of friends who, when they were asked to give a singular possessive noun, they instead gave me a plural noun. So a plural noun like lions means more than one lion. But if I say the lion's cub, like we see here in this example, we mean that the cub belongs to the lion, and it's just one lion. And so that is going to be the big difference between the two, and that's why that apostrophe is so important. And so just keep that in mind as you are going through this assignment. And then you're going to see on slide number 2, your job is to write 2 sentences using any singular possessive nouns from this list provided. You can circle the singular possessive noun that you use in each sentence. So you're just going to click and drag the circle over the singular possessive noun. Then you have your journal prompt, and it is Flashback Friday. So you're going to go ahead and click on the black paper and pencil, and it is write about a time that you got hurt or you were sick. Well, most of you already have a scenario in which you've gotten hurt or sick when we talked about our big ouch moment for our personal narrative. So now you just need to go ahead. If you've already done that, then you just have to give a quick summary of what happened, 5 to 6 sentences. Then we have our Zoom. After our Zoom together, you are going to go ahead and click on the Van Gogh painting for your art Zoom. That is at 10 o'clock. You're going to go ahead, you are going to click the website, and you are going to see you have your art Zoom. It is the pink button. Go ahead and click it. Then we have a break. After our break, you're going to go ahead and click the YouTube icon. It will take you to your prefix and suffix practice. Remember, this is a daily job, meaning every single day you are practicing your prefixes and suffixes. Then you have your author's point of view. In Quick Check, you're going to go ahead and press the orange book to get there. And you're going to go ahead, you are going to click on the Google form. First things first, you are going to write your first and last name. Then you're going to see you have a passage right here. This link is audio, so you can have the story read to you. So if you know you would like that as an option, you click this link and it will read it to you. Then you see that you have a couple of questions. Again, audio is available to read the questions aloud to you. And so it's going to ask you really basic questions. What is the topic about? What is the author's point of view? How does the author feel about the topic? What is one of the reasons? And then what is your opinion? So if you agree with the author, you need to tell me that you agree with them and why you agree with them. If you disagree with them, you need to tell me that I disagree with the author and why you disagree with the author. And then you have lunch. After lunch, you're going to have a multiplication quick check. You're going to go ahead and click on the multiplication, or the math symbols rather. And you are going to go ahead and you're going to see that it is another Google form. If you go ahead and click it, remember this week we worked on 6s and 4s as well as 7s and 8s. So you're going to go ahead, again, first things first, first and last name, and you are going to go through and you are going to type the correct answer for each of these questions. Make sure you are using your strategies to help you out. It can be array, it can be equal groups, it can be repeated addition, or it can be one of the other strategies that you have been taught from this week. And you're going to go ahead and answer all 10 questions. And then finally, you have your typed writing journal prompt. So you can go ahead and press the blue journal. And for your writing prompt this week, you are going to be responding, or you're going to be providing your response rather, for Thursday's journal prompt, which was write your thoughts about a way to take care of the planet. Remember, 5 to 6 sentences explaining your thoughts as to ways that we can take care of the planet. And you're just going to go ahead, click it, and you will go ahead and respond. Remember, you have a rubric available for you, so you can click on the rubric and it will tell you, oh, okay, I want 5 points. I'm going to make sure that I have a strong introduction and conclusion, and I have lots of details to support my reasons. And so on. There is no reason why anyone should be getting less than a 3, especially when the rubric is provided for you. And that is going to be it for your day. You just need to go ahead and clean up, make sure everything is where it needs to be, make sure all materials are put back where they need to be, so that way you guys are ready to learn when we come back on Monday. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, D1.